Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello, Ashen One. In this video, I will show you how to get the Firekeeper set, a beautiful and iconic armor in the game. This set is located within the bell tower of Firelink Shrine, but reaching it requires a special key and a bit of careful platforming. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can add this unique attire to your collection without any trouble. Let's begin our journey to claim this elegant set. Our first step is to acquire the tower key. Head to the central Firelink Shrine bonfire, your familiar hub. Once there, seek out the kind shrine handmaiden, who is usually found sitting on the steps near the main entrance. Engage in conversation with her and purchase the tower key. It will cost you 20,000 souls, so make sure you have enough. This key is absolutely crucial for unlocking the path to your new armor. With the tower key in hand, it's time to enter the bell tower. From the Firelink Shrine bonfire, take the left-hand staircase leading upwards and outside. At the top, you'll find a large, imposing door. Use your key to open it. Now, prepare for a bit of a climb. Ascend the very long spiral staircase until you reach the highest point. From there, cross the narrow bridge that connects to the larger tower structure. You're almost there. Once you've crossed the bridge, look to your left. You'll notice a specific spot where you can drop down. This requires a precise, long jump to land on a hidden ledge below. Be careful not to miss. If you have the Silver Cat ring, equip it to negate any fall damage. On this hidden ledge, you will find a corpse holding the complete Firekeeper set. Congratulations, you've successfully claimed your new armor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.